this program, you're going to learn about the measuring instrument known as the Vernier caliper. The Vernier caliper is used primarily as an accurate gauge of outside dimensions, inside dimensions, and shoulder or groove depth dimensions. There are two commonly used metric vernier caliper types, namely, those that can measure to an accuracy of 0,02 millimeters and the other to an accuracy of 0,05 of a millimeter. This program deals with the 0.02 type, which yields an accuracy of 1/50th of a millimeter. You will begin by learning the general parts and functions of the vernier caliper. The instrument comprises of a main beam, onto which is fitted the sliding cursor. External measuring jaws are used for taking outside measurements. Internal jaws for taking inside measurements. A depth rod for taking depth measurements. And a lock screw to lock the cursor to the main beam. The main beam contains the main scale, which is graduated from 0 to 150 millimeters. The cursor contains the vernier scale, which is graduated into 50 divisions. After the pause, you will learn how to handle the vernier caliper.